students, today we are going to start practice set 3.4. In practice set 3.4, problem number 1 which can be seen on a screen. See here, in a figure 3.56, in a circle with center O, means there is a circle, that center is O, length of chord AB is equal to its radius. Means whatever be the length of chord, that is equal to radius, means length of chord and radius they are equal of the circle. Find measure of each of the followings. So you want to find out angular measure of AOB, angular measure of ACB, arc AB and arc ACB. That measures you want to find out. So here is given the diagram. See, this is the O is the center of the circle, and here is you want to find out angular measure of AOB. So here is what given. This is the chord AB is given, and this AO is the radius, and this OB is also a radius. So radius of the circle's length is equal to chord. So OA is congruent with OB, radius of the same circle, and radius and chord are equal. They are given in the problem. So OA congruent OB congruent AB. So these three sides are congruent. So if three sides are congruent, then opposite angles are congruent. So AOB is equal to 60 degree. How can I solve? Just see. Here is segment OA congruent with segment OB, radius of the same circle. See, O is the center of the circle, so OA is the radius and OB is the radius. So radius of the same circle are congruent, so OA congruent OB, radius of the same circle, so they are congruent. Then chord AB, see this is the chord, the name of the chord is AB. So this chord AB is equal to radius, so AB is equal to OA, OA is equal to OB. So they are equal means the three sides are congruent. So here is I write segment AB congruent with segment OA, congruent with segment OB. So if the three sides are congruent, then triangle AOB is a equilateral triangle, because the three sides are congruent. So if the triangle three sides are congruent, then that triangle is a equilateral triangle. So triangle AOB is a equilateral triangle. So AB congruent OA congruent OB, that three sides are congruent. So triangle AOB is equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle means each and every angle is congruent, because sides are congruent, opposite angles are congruent. So there is a three angles are congruent. So 3 divided 180. So each angle is 60 degree. So angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. So here is you write angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, angle of an equilateral triangle. Are you understand how you can get the 60 degree? Because three sides congruent, so opposite angles are congruent. So the three angles are congruent. So three angles are congruent. So 3 divided 180. So we are getting 3 6 18, 300. So 60 degree. So each angle is 60 degree. So angle AOB is 60 degree. So my students, see this is the AOB is a 60 degree. So you want to find out the ACB angle. So the measure of an angle subtended by an arc at point of the circle is half of the measure. Means the angle AOB is equal to twice ACB. Angle AOB is equal to twice ACB. Because the reason is given here, the measure of angle subtended by an arc at a point of circle is half of the measure of angle subtended by the center. Means the angle which is from on a circumference, that angle is half of the angle which is from at center. So here is we are write AOB is equal to twice ACB. So AOB is equal to 60 degrees. So I write here is equal to 2 into ACB. So 2 is multiplying, go across, divide. So you are get ACB is equal to 30 degree. 2 3s are 6, 200. So ACB is equal to 30 degree. Such a way we are finding the angular measure of ACB. So measure arc AB is equal to angle AOB, definition of the minor arcs. So minor arcs, this is the minor arcs. So arc AOB is equal to 60 degree, because it is the central angle. Remember my student, this AOB is the central angle, and the last lecture I already explained you. So in front of the central angle, which so this AOB is the central angle. You can see in the diagram that AOB is a central angle. So I already explained in the last lecture, the central angle in front of which arc is there, the whatever be the angular measure of central angle, that is the angular measure of this arc. So in front of AOB there is the arc AB. So AOB is the 60 degree. So major arc AB is equal to also 60 degree because central angle. So major arc AB plus major arc ACB is equal to 360 degree. Okay. So which angular measure you know? AB, that you are finding. Substitute the value of AB. So major arc AB is equal to 60 degree plus major arc ACB, that remain as it is equal to 360 degree. So 60 degree is positive, that go across negative. So major arc ACB is equal to 360 degree minus 60 degree. So major arc ACB is equal to 360 degree minus 60 degree. So major arc ACB is equal to 300 degree. Such a way you are finding the angular measure arc ACB, that is a 300 degree. Are you understand how can you find out? See, major arc AB plus major arc ACB, then total circle is completed. So the angular measure of the circle is 360 degree. So major arc AB is equal to 60 degree. So I write here 60 degree plus major arc ACB is equal to 360 degree. 60 degree is positive, go across negative. So major arc ACB is equal to 360 degree minus 60 degree. So major arc ACB is equal to 300 degree. Such a way we have completed these problems. So problem number second, in the figure 3.57, the PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. It is a cyclic quadrilateral. Why it is called a cyclic quadrilateral? Because P, Q, R and S, that all the 4 points are having on a circumference. So the PQRS, all the points, P points, Q points, R and S, they are having on a circumference. So this cyclic PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Side PQ, side RQ, DPSR is equal to 110 degree. So here is find PQR, find major arc PQR, find major arc QR and major angle PRQ. So see, this is the diagram that can be show you. See, this is the P point, this is the Q point, this is the R point and this is the S points. So that all the points are having on a circumference. So that all the points are having on a circumference. So this is called as the cyclic quadrilateral because all the 4 points they are having on a circumference. So it is called cyclic quadrilateral. So what they are said? They are said PSR. See, this is the D9. This is the angle. But so this is the angle PSR. So see, this P, S and R. So this S is equal to 110 degree. So they are said you can find out the PQR. So all of my students remember that in cyclic quadrilateral the opposite angles are supplementary to each other. In cyclic quadrilateral the opposite angles are supplementary to each other. So if PSR is 110 degree, so 180 minus 110, so PQR is 70 degree. Okay, such a way you are finding. Just start to solve this problem. So PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. So angle P, S and R plus angle P, Q, R. So angle PSR plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. Opposite angle of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. So substitute the value of PSR. So PSR is 110 degree plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. 110 is positive, go across negative. So angle PQR is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So 180 minus 110. So angle PQR is 70 degree. If students you have any doubts, see this PSR means this PSR angle and this PQR angle. So this S angle and Q angle, they are opposite angles of each other. They are supplementary angles because it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So in cyclic quadrilateral the opposite angles are supplementary. So supplementary means sum of them is 180 degree. So if one angle is 110 degree, so another angle can be find out 180 degree minus 110 degree, so that is 70 degree. So here is written PSR plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. Opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. PSR is 110 degree, so I write here 110 degree plus angle PQR, that is written as it is. I don't know whatever it may be that you want to find out. So angle PQR is remain as it is equal to 180 degree. Anyone having doubts here? If you have doubts, you can ask me by help of mobile. So 110 plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. So angle PQR is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So 180 minus 110, whatever be the remains 70 degree. So angle PQR is equal to 70 degree. Such a way you are finding angle PQR, that is the 70 degree. Then you want to find out the major arc PQR. So the angular measure is half of the major arc. Means suppose see, here is you want to find out PQR arc. Means see, this is the P, this is the Q, and this is the R. So if you want to find out arc, then arc measure is twice the angle measure. Arc measure is twice the angle measure. Okay, so you are already find know the PSR angle. So if you want to find out angle measure, then angle is half of the arc. Angle is half of the arc. So this is the PSR angle, and in front of which arc is there? PQR. So that is the half. So angle PSR is equal to half major arc PQR. Remember, angle measure is half of the arc. Angle measure is half of the arc. By which theorem? Inscribed angle theorem. Okay. So whatever you know, that value you are substitute. So PSR you know, that is the 110 degree. So I write here 110 degree is equal to half of major arc PQR. Okay. So 2 is divided 1. So when that 2 go across, it can be multiplied. See, PSR is equal to 110. So angle measure is half of the arc. So I write here half major arc PQR. So this 2 is divided 1. So when that 2 go across, it can be multiplied. So major arc PQR is equal to 110 degree into 2. So 2 0 0, 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2. So major arc PQR is equal to 220 degree. Anyone doubts? It is very simple. You can solve by another way also, that you can write major arc PQR is equal to 2 into PSR. Then major arc PQR is equal to 2 into PSR 110. So 2 into 110, you get same answer, 220 degree. Okay. So you can solve by this way or that way also. So angle PSR is equal to half major arc PQR. Inscribe angle theorem. So PSR is 110 degree. So I substitute the value of PSR 110 degree is equal to half major arc PQR. So major arc PQR is remain as it is. 2 is divide, go across, multiply. 110 into 2. 2 0 0, 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2. So major arc PQR is equal to 220 degree. Then see, chord PQ. See, this is the PQ chord and this is the QR chord. So these two chords are congruent. Remember my students, if the chords are congruent, then corresponding arcs are congruent. What I say, are you understand? I am say that if chords are congruent, corresponding arcs are congruent. So they are said chord PQ is congruent with chord QR. So which is the corresponding arc of PQ? Arc PQ. Which is the corresponding arc of chord QR? Arc QR. Okay. So chord congruent, that means that arc congruent. So we are right here arc PQ congruent with arc QR, because arcs corresponding to congruent chord. Means if the chords are congruent, corresponding arc are congruent. So that you are getting that. So let PQ and QR is equal to XX. So see, this angular value is X, this angular value is X. We are considered, we assume. So major arc PQ plus major arc QR is equal to PQR. That you know, whatever be the angular measure of PQR. So X plus X, you are get major arc PQR is equal to 220 degree. Just you are finding. So see, X plus X, we are getting 2X. So 2 is multiplying, go across, divide. So x is equal to 2 ones are, and as it is 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 0 0. So x is equal to 110 degree. So you are getting that answer, x is equal to 110 degree. Okay, means PQ is equal to 110 degree, QR is equal to 110 degree. So sum of them is 220 degree. Okay, then PRQ, see which they are said. See, this is the P, this is the R, and this is the Q. So that angle PRQ you want to find out. So you know the angle measure is half of the arc. Angle measure is half of the arc. So which angle you want to find out? R. So in R, in front of R, which arc is there? PQ arc is there. So we are right. Angle PRQ is equal to half measure arc PQ, because angle measure is half of the arc. So R angle in front of the arc is PQ. So if you want to find out R measure, then you can do half of the PQ. Okay, so here is written angle PRQ is equal to half measure R PQ. So PRQ remain as it is, half into 110 degree. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. So angle PRQ is equal to 55 degree. Is that clear? Such a way you are finding the values here. Problem number 3rd. Cyclic quadrilateral MRPN. Cyclic quadrilateral MRPN. I already explained why it is called a cyclic quadrilateral, because M point, R point, P point and N point, they are having on a circumference, so that is called as cyclic quadrilateral. So angle R is the 5x minus 13 and angle N is the 4x plus 4 degree. Find the measure of angle R and angle N. So this is the cyclic quadrilateral MRPN is a cyclic quadrilateral given. MRPN is a cyclic quadrilateral given. So by theorem of cyclic quadrilateral, means we are using the cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles are supplementary to each other. So angle R plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. Angle R plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. So angle R is 5x minus 13. Angle N is 4x plus 4 degree. Substitute that value. Angle R 5x minus 13 degree plus angle N 4x plus 4 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 5x plus 4x 9x. 13 minus 4, 9 is remain. Okay. So see, 5x minus 13, remove the bracket, plus 4x plus 4. So see, 5x plus 4x 9x. So I write here 9x. 5x plus 4x, sign are same, addition 9x. 13 is minus, 4 is positive. So sign of both number are not same. So you are subtract 13 minus 4. What will remain? 9. So I write here 9 minus 9. So 9x minus 9 is equal to 180. So minus 9 go across, plus 9. So here is to write 9x remain as it is, 180 remain as it is, minus 9 go across, plus 9. So 9x is equal to 189. So 9x is equal to 189. 9 is multiply, go across, divide. So x is equal to 189 divided by 9. So x is equal to 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9. So x is equal to 21. See, I again explain you. See, this is the MRPN is the cyclic quadrilateral. So in cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles are supplementary to each other. So major angle R plus major angle N is equal to 180 degree. Reason is given here because they are supplementary. Supplementary means sum is 180 degree. So 5x minus 13 degree plus 4x plus 4 degree is equal to 180 degree. 5x minus 13 plus 4x plus 4 degree. 5x and 4x, sum is 9x, so I write here 9x. 13 is negative, 4 is positive, sign is not same, subtract. 13 minus 4, there is remain 9. So 9x minus 9 is equal to 180 degree. Minus 9 go across, plus 9. So 9x is equal to 180 plus 9. 180 plus 9 you get 189. 9x is equal to 189. 9 is multiply, go across, divide. 9 2 ja 18, 9 1 ja 9, x is equal to 21. Okay, such a way. So substitute the value of x here. So r is 5x minus 13. So x is 21. 5x, so that x value is 21. I write here 21. 5 into 21 minus 13. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 105 minus 13. So 105 minus 13, 5 minus 3 2, 10 minus 1 9, 92. So angle R is equal to 92 degrees. Okay, so get the value of R 92. Then angle N is equal to 4x plus 4. Angle N is equal to 4x plus 4. So 4 is remain as it is. X is 21 plus 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 84. So 84 plus 4. 84 plus 4, 88. So angle N is equal to 88 degree. Such a way we can find that. So we have see the three problems, and I hope that all the three problems you are understand it very well. So the next problem is given to you for homework. So please solve this problem in homework notebook, and also write theorem in the homework notebook. Each and every day you write theorem, all the theorems you can write, okay, in homework notebook. And this problem is also right. And whatever be the problem I explain in this lecture, that all problems you can write in the class notebooks. Okay, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe, and if you understand what I taught you, then like this channel, subscribe this channel, and send to your friends and say to them like and subscribe.